mushroom toast with prosciutto. Here is an easy recipe and instructions how to make it. Absolutely delicious. It can be a perfect starter or a quick, light evening meal, good with or without the prosciutto. Ingredients and instructions. Heat a large frying pan with the olive oil. Fry finely chopped onion until transparent, and next add mushrooms. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mushrooms are soft. Mix creme fraiche and fried mushrooms. Chop parsley. Spread the mushroom mixture on the lightly toasted piece of bread. Top with fried prosciutto. I fry it in the same skillet as mushrooms for about 2 minutes on each side until golden and crisp. Add parsley on the top. Enjoy your homemade creamy mushroom toast with prosciutto and subscribe to my channel. Mushroom toast with egg, the breakfast of champions. Satisfying meat-free meal on days when you need something quick and easy. Watch this 2-minute video till the end and try this simple recipe today. Ingredients and instructions. Take a lightly toasted piece of bread. Finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Mix with fried mushrooms. To cook mushrooms, heat a large frying pan with the olive oil. Fry chopped onion until transparent, and next, add chopped mushrooms. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mushrooms are soft. Put mushrooms on the piece of bread. Chop parsley. Top the toast with a fried egg. I cook the eggs on the skillet over medium heat for 3 minutes, so they are just set but the yolk is still runny. Sprinkle parsley. Enjoy your mushroom toast with egg and subscribe to my channel. The Art of Mushroom Toast with Cheese, step-by-step recipe. Easy, delicious vegetarian meal for any time of the day. Ingredients and instructions. Take a lightly toasted piece of bread. Fry the mushrooms and grate a garlic clove. Mix. Add a few sprigs of fresh herbs you have. I use thyme. To cook mushrooms, heat a large frying pan with the olive oil. Fry chopped onion until transparent, and next, add chopped mushrooms. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mushrooms are soft and well browned. Add the double cream. Mix until combined. Squeeze lemon juice on the bread to taste. Spread the mixture. Grate the cheese on top. I use Parmesan. Decorate with fresh leaves. Enjoy your homemade creamy mushroom toast with cheese and subscribe to my channel. Hummus toast with mushrooms. Quick, hearty, and full of flavor. Mushroom hummus toast with fresh thyme leaves. Crazy delicious and healthy new idea for your breakfast. You simply need hummus, bread, and some greens or herbs. This toast is a creative way to get in some extra protein. Take slightly toasted bread of your choice. Spread 2 to 3 teaspoons of hummus. I normally use the classic one, made from chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and olive oil. For the next layer, you need sautéed champignons. Don't forget to add salt, pepper, and garlic. Decorate with fresh thyme leaves. Thyme is full of vitamin C and has a spicy, sweet flavor. But don't worry if you don't have any. Any herbs will work great. Season with salt and pepper. Enjoy your mushroom hummus toast.